Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to resolve issues with Temu due to suspicious activity. So let's dive right into it. Firstly, make sure you have Gmail open and that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, there are a couple of things you can do to address this issue. Start by navigating to the U tab on Gmail. Scroll down and click on the Settings option. Within the settings, click on Account Security and update your mobile number and email address. By adding these details, you will enhance the verification process and improve the security of your account. This step can help in eliminating the issue. And if you still encounter problems with Temu, follow these steps. Go to your app information and open the app's details. From there, click on the storage option and proceed to clear the app's data and caches. By doing so, you should be able to fix any app-related issues. And that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember to stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.